I'm Josh with Skid Pro. Today we're going to take a look at our seeder. This versatile, easy to use attachment is an incredibly effective tool for a multitude of seeding projects. Erosion control, road right-of-way, lawn and landscape, food plots, and even small farm parcels that are tucked back or in hard to reach areas. Let's dig into the details on this simple yet proven design and how it can give you a quick payback on your seeding projects. First, let's start with the why. A seeder will give you better efficiency and quality of end product when compared to simple broadcasting. It maintains proper spacing, it plants at a precise and consistent depth. That's going to also give you better seed to soil moisture contact. That in turn is going to give you better germination and a better stand. That means less replanting, saving you time and money, and it means happier customers. We can do up to 2+ acres per hour productivity with this unit. It is incredibly efficient. Let's take a look now at the design and build. First off, we always start with weight. Steel is steel, and this unit is built heavy. Tips the scales at just over 1,250 pounds operating weight. And of course, that gives you robust durability, but it also helps in performance of the seeder when you're talking a consistent ground contact. That's especially important with the ground drive. We'll touch on that a little bit later. This unit is 72 inches working width. It's about a foot longer overall dimension, but it's a 72-inch planting width. Let's take a look at the main frame. That's where it all starts. We want the bones and that skeleton to be strong. We run 3 by 3 inch thick-walled square tubing all the way around and supporting the hopper, and that runs down through to the rollers as well. This will give us longevity and added structural rigidity. We also have these nice fork slots here that aids in loading, storing, traveling with the seeder as well. Now let's go to the bones of it when it comes to performance, and that's the ground-driven design. It's proven reliability, it's strong, it's simple, it flat works. It's worked this way for years, and that's the design that we have continued to rely on. The thing about ground drive that makes it so convenient, especially in a skid loader or a compact tractor where we're having a hard time setting consistent, accurate travel speeds, because it's ground driven, it will meter plus or minus as you change ground speed. So there is no need to maintain that perfect speed. That takes a tremendous load off the operator and again, gives you that better, consistent end product. The ground drive is linked to the rear rollers. That in turn is linked to both the agitator and the seed metering system. So the 4-blade agitator helps ensure a smooth and consistent seed flow. That's linked to the dual slot roller seed metering system, which gives incredible consistency and accuracy. The heavy duty roller chain is durable and easy to maintain. We have a nice shroud cover that gives added visibility, but increased operator safety as well. It's imperative to only ever operate this with the shroud in place. Now let's take a look at the front and rear casters. These caster reels are extra large at 9 inches in diameter. It's a proven robust design. They have a serrated slicer edge in the center, and these are offset front to back. So the front rollers crush the lumps, help to prepare that seed bed. They press down any stones that are in the way, and then they cut a slot for the seed. The rear rollers then split that shallow ridge made by the front roller and gently press the soil around the drop seed, ensuring optimal seed to soil moisture contact. We all know that's the most critical component to germination and a nice even stand. The front and rear roller combine to give a single pass perfect seed bed. The last critical component of the design is the walking tandem axle. That helps to maintain constant pressure on the ground, which ensures an accurate drivetrain to seed metering system. This is a 2.5 by 2.5 I-beam construction. It is a hardened 2-inch axle on both rollers. And again, that walking axle pivots in the center between the front rollers and the rear rollers to always maintain that ground contact. That's adding efficiency and operator ease. One of the most important features on the seeder is adjustable gate control. It's quick and easy adjustment with no tools necessary. There's a quick start calibration right here on the hood of the hopper. There's an easy view gauge on the side. You simply loosen the wing nut and adjust the lever to the correct size of opening for the seed that you're planting. Now let's talk about the hopper. It's an extra large 4 bushel capacity. Well, a lot of guys ask the question, well, how many pounds is that? Of course, that varies with the type of seed that you're placing. So for example, bluegrass is about 44 pounds a bushel. So that allows about 176 pounds in the hopper fully loaded. It all depends on the seed that you're putting in, but at the end of the day, the extra large hopper covers several acres without refilling. That helps add to the efficiency and productivity of this unit. Rounding out the features on the hopper are 2 rubber vibration dampeners up front that are adjustable, and then our nice convenient rubber strap to help keep that lid closed and dust out of the hopper. When it comes to depth control, this varies depending on if you're going to put this on a skid loader or a tractor. For the skid loader, we simply increase the loader arm pressure and tilt forward to get deeper into the soil. For a tractor, you'd simply increase the top link pressure, putting more down pressure and depth on the front rollers. This unit is unique in the fact that it can be attached to the skid loader with the universal skid loader plate, and it can be attached with a tractor 3-point Cat 1 or Category 2 up front. Whether you're doing a large right-of-way project or a small food plot, the seeder is the perfect tool for the job. To learn more about this or any of our other attachments, visit us online, www.skidpro.com, or give a product guru a call, 877-378-4642.